Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your weekend love bite. Leo, this is just a small energy check-in to see how you guys will be doing this weekend. This is for the weekend of the 16th, 17th, 18th of October. And Leo, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So let's begin. Dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Leo and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Leo, let's start with the angel blessing card and then we'll move on to your reading. So my angels, what do you have for Leo for this weekend of the 16th? One blessing or an advice card for my Leo? Commitment. I think this weekend you will be committed to yourself and maybe your loved ones, maybe your children. And basically, this card also means being committed to finding happiness for yourself. So, this is going to be a chilled out weekend, it seems, Leo, where you're going to spend time nurturing yourself and maybe your immediate loved ones. So, let's see why this card is here for you, Leo. Welcome back, my subscribers. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel. And if you're new here, we welcome you to the Omkara family. We meet here regularly, so do join us and subscribe to the channel. We welcome you in. This is going to be a mini read, okay, newbies. Longer readings have already been put up and more are coming. So, yes, no longer confused now, Leo. I think you're coming to a good space. You're feeling more grounded, not confused. You're very clear about the path ahead, it seems. At least in your mind, you are. So, let's start opening your cards, Leo. First card I have here is the Eight of Pentacles, Queen of Wands, and the Chariot. So if there has been somebody who has been very angry or upset around you, or if you've been that angry, upset person, you are, whatever you were angry and upset upon, Leo, I think this weekend you have decided, I'm no longer going to pursue that and I'm no longer going to put any work in. Uh, yes, I think you've lost the passion and the love for something and you're withdrawing your energy from that thing, right? Whatever didn't make you happy or made you upset, made you angry, and you're moving away from any past hurts. Yeah, you're moving towards now, your abundance, your fertility to something which is more promising and abundant for your future now. So, the Chariot card, Spirit, yes, this is a decision you've made. You made a solid decision, my lions, my lionesses. You have decided, you can see the path clearly in front of you now. Anything that was not giving you love, that was not giving you passion, you've decided to totally stop working on it. And yes, you want to now be abundant and go towards your growth, and you're making fast progress, it seems. At least you're planning it and you're making some very strong decisions regarding it. You're moving towards something that will feel like an equal partnership, which will feel like abundance, joy, happiness. And this is a conscious choice, Leo, made by you. But you are leaving something behind as well. With the Nine of Wands energy and the Two of Swords and the Devil in reverse. Yes, you have been guarding yourself. You've been staying in a very protective zone till now. You have made a firm decision now, Leo. No more confusion that you are going to now drop anything that is toxic around you. Okay, any kind of regret, any kind of toxic individual, any kind of fear, any kind of past regrets, you are standing up to say, hey, listen, I still have some fight left in me. I still have one last wand and I'm not going to waste it in regret. I'm going to now, I'm ready to fight another day, I think, or maybe move ahead one more time, because I've now dropped all these 10 wands which were burdening for me. Once you unburden yourself, then yes, you are ready for something new, Leo. You are looking forward to something happy, new, ready to fight another day. You are making decisions. What is this decision my Leo is making? Yes, to move ahead in a passionate. This is your card, Leo. This is your card, right? King of Wands, here you are making plans now to move forward in business, in work, in life, in happiness. And this is not just come to you, Leo. I think this is you making a firm decision. And yes, if you were confused about anybody who was upsetting your peace in the past, and you were in two minds, maybe at crossroads, thinking, what should I do? What should I do? I think, Leo, this weekend you are now from this energy coming to this energy. That means no longer in confusion of deciding, but you have decided. You are very clear about your path ahead of dropping anyone that didn't serve your purpose anymore or didn't bring love or passion or forward movement into your life. So, what's this devil spirit? What's this devil for Leo that they're releasing? What's this devil energy? Leo, I think you have been healing for a very long time. You have been thinking. I think your own intuition has told you exactly what you need to release, right? And whatever, I mean, it's not showing up what it is, but Spirit is saying my Leo knows that. Leo has been meditating, my Leo has been praying, my Leo has got the wisdom already as the high priestess, and this knowledge comes from deep within your soul as to what is it that my Leo needs to now release, which you are doing very successfully now, putting a death to the old Leo and moving forward for a complete overhaul and transformation into your life. That is excellent cards for you, Leo. And yes, you are now committed to yourself and the people who matter the most. So let's see your last three cards. Death in reverse, Four of Wands in reverse, and the King of Cups in reverse. Yes, Leo, as much as you've made the decision, things haven't, I don't think they've really ended. Yes, there is a few loose ends, I think, that you're still working on this weekend. You still, maybe somewhere deep in your heart, you still have a fear of releasing and letting go of the past. Things are still a bit open-ended, but you have been healing. You have been thinking with the Four of Swords energy, and as the days are going by, you're getting more and more restless, and I think more and more sure of what you need to now close out, what you need to put a death to, what to put, what to make into a transformation now. So Four of Swords Spirit, Four of Swords for Leo. One more. I think Leo, you are, you have a lot of restless energy inside you. You are, if I think somebody has sneaked away from you, sneaked away from maybe a relationship from you, maybe you've been feeling a bit rejected in love, and that is the little bit of thing that holds you still to the past. You are still not being able to release it. You're still waiting for something to happen before you can release it, because this energy has made you feel a bit rejected because of the way it kind of escaped you. Yeah, I think something went the wrong way here, which you didn't expect. You expected things to be loving and forever and ever, but when this thing happened, you felt cheated, and you felt it wasn't done in the correct way. And because you are still waiting for that validation, maybe of why you were rejected in love, maybe, or whatever you were doing, that little bit of uh, resistance to change is there. You are still not moving ahead the way you should, because that stops you somewhere, and you're still kind of keeping your emotions very hidden right now. You feel whatever happened in your life, Leo, was not fair. Even though now you're looking forward to happier times ahead, something this weekend is still troubling you. You're trying very hard now to find happiness and move ahead and leave all this troubled things, troubled times, troubled people behind who have not done right by you, and trying to walk away. Yes, but somewhere in between walking away and looking back, you're a bit stuck this weekend, Leo. somewhere you're still waiting for something. I have no clue what, but you feel that what was not right, you want some answers maybe for it. You want some message, some which is not coming to you. That validation is not coming to you, and that keeps you in a loop of still not being able to close this chapter out completely, right? You are, I think, a bit still heartbroken and feeling a bit ungrounded, and because somebody maybe didn't put in the work for you. But you are getting clearer by the day. You are trying to keep your energy protected, and you are coming to the realization that yes, things have ended, and you have to be strong. Leo, just this is your card, like the Leo, the lion and lionesses card. This is your card. You're coming to that realization that the only commitment that you should be worried about now is the one that you have for yourself and the people who are in your immediate energy, like your children maybe, and you're trying to get out of this with your strength intact. So that's all I have for you, Leo. But don't worry, Leo, you are going to be coming out of this confusion very soon. Just a matter, you're almost on the last leg now. Okay? So that's all I have for you, Leo. Have love and light. Namaste. Take care.